Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're introducing the ultimate car emergency safety kit bag, a must-have for every driver. This comprehensive kit is designed for those unexpected roadside emergencies, featuring premium tools like a portable air compressor, tire repair kit, and 12-foot, 6-gauge jumper cables with high-quality PVC coating that resist freezing and tangling, ensuring your car starts even in winter. It also includes a flashlight and a 24-piece first aid kit, complete with bandages, dressings, and a foil blanket, providing basic wound care for road trips or home use. The kit's lightweight and compact design make it easy to store in your backseat or trunk, making it an ideal gift for first-time car owners or anyone who might be caught off guard on the road. With giant alligator clips for a secure grip and a 500 amp capacity, these jumper cables are built to last and perform when you need them most. Our emergency kit is all about peace of mind, ensuring you and your loved ones stay safe on the road. If you have any questions, our team is ready to assist, so you can buy with confidence and drive with assurance. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.